So here I am thinking I'm going to stop recording, and I haven't been recording the whole time. I'll just have to display it for you. First, I would like to thank Kenya with Kenya's Decor Corner for hosting this collab today. I will link her channel below along with the playlist so you can check out all the other creators. So here it is, guys. I made a bow out of 2 ribbons up there. That is a Dollar Tree pumpkin clip, and then just a feather bunch with grass and stalks. I think I picked that up at Walmart. And there's just some Dollar Tree leaves I pulled off a pick and placed below. And that's really it, guys. I think it turned out cute. Looks ready for fall. I hope you enjoyed it. The shortness of it, at least. I'm so sorry I forgot to hit record on this one, but it happens. And to add insult to injury, I almost cut my finger off with a pair of scissors. But thank you guys so much for watching today. I know it is a short, quick video. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks to my subscribers, and if you're not a subscriber, check out my other videos. They're much better than this. And hit that subscribe button. Thanks again for watching, guys. Have a great weekend.